Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure both my TV and your phone or laptop are on the same Wi-Fi network. This prevents connection conflicts. Once done, open my TV settings, enable the screen mirroring or Miracast receiver so it is discoverable. On your device, open Cast, screen mirroring, or project settings and begin scanning. Don't wait. This step is critical because discovery must happen while the TV is listening. Otherwise, devices will not appear in the list for pairing. After the TV is discoverable, select its name on your phone or PC and accept any pairing prompt on the TV. This establishes the secure channel. Make sure you pick the correct input if multiple My devices appear. If the picture seems off, change output resolution or 16:9 ratio on the source. This fixes scaling. For whole screen mirroring, use Miracast from Android or Windows, and for media playback, you can alternatively use DLNA apps to cast. To finish, stop or disconnect mirroring from your phone or PC to free bandwidth and avoid accidental inputs on the TV. If you notice lag or stutter, lower the output resolution or move devices closer to the router. Wi-Fi interference often causes delay. If the TV and device never pair, restart both devices, re-enable the TV's mirroring receiver, and try discovery again. This simple reboot resolves most handshake problems because it clears stale network sessions and cached device states.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.